What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. It's great to be back. It's been slow, so we finally got a change out, and we're gonna take care of this. And morning, Tyler.
Morning.
So this fine specimen is a 30-year-old Miller furnace. As you notice, it's got dual returns. It's going to be a tight one. So we're going to be putting the furnace on this box. I'm not blaming my distributor. Their supplier actually screwed up. I was supposed to get a smaller box, but I'm using this monster box. It's got, my customer here is trying to eliminate 2 filters, so we're going to do 1 filter. It's going to be tight. As you see, we got height issues. So we got about, so with everything, we're putting in an Armstrong Pro Series 16C air conditioner. And, but yeah, it's going to be tight. It's going to be tight. We'll see what we can do. And, see if we can make things happen. Like I said, we may have to take the coil out of the case, slide it in, and just to make the proper adapters there. So I'll take you out and show you the AC. Like I said, it's been, we go through this transition period every year. It gets slow, real slow. I had a job that canceled on me right at the last minute. I had everything all dialed in, the logistics there. The day before the job started, he called and canceled. So it's been slow, and money's been tight. So always prepare. Okay, here's the air conditioner. It's ironic, we're replacing an 25-year-old Armstrong Air 10 SEER with a 16 SEER Armstrong. We're going to reuse the existing line set, but we're going to fix the hole, slide a piece of PVC in there, and clean it up a little bit. It definitely needs to be cleaned up. So let's get to work. I'll see you on the other side. Here's an old humidifier. I'm going to probably say it's the late 50s, maybe 60s. From Detroit. It's an Auto Flow Model 100. That's an old one. If you guys seen them before, leave it in the comment section below. I'm curious. So here's this Auto Flow Model 100. Made in Detroit, Michigan. So, do you know how these work, Tyler?
What?
These humidifiers?
Nope.
So, if you look at them, we got these, they're kind of like little pieces of concrete. And so the water goes in there, and there's a little float back there. And the water gets tied in here from your water supply. And it fills it up with these little tray, which wicks off these little bricks. This is what they used to use back in the day. Pretty cool concept. It's definitely old. It's not very, I wouldn't say too effective, but at least it put some moisture in the air back in the day. Like I said, this is probably from the, I don't know, 50s, 60s. It's a relic. But yeah. Leave your thoughts and feedback down below, and let me know what you guys think. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up. It has something to do with the algorithms. I don't know why, it just works. And if you're the one who's smashing the thumbs down, do that twice. That'd be great. See you in the next one.
What's it say?
Well, it says, I love it when a plan comes together.
Okay, I have updates. That was fun. So, yeah, there we are. As you can see, we were able to not use the case coil due to the height. So I had to take it out of the case, make a support for the coil to sit on. It's going to be a straight left, straight back, which won't be too bad. Then I'm going to make some kind of a door to get access to all this if we need to. Yeah, Tyler's working on the gas. There's the box. I was able to get this below the filter. Filter goes in right there from the front. It's going to be a 4-inch, 20 by 25 by 4. So I was able to get that below the filter. And then this side, I think I'm just going to make a cap and then bring this down, put the collar and bring that down onto that. So the original plan was to get a box with a 1-inch filter, same size cabinet, 21 wide, whatever it is, depth. And then it was going to be from here to there instead of this extra. And I was going to swoop it in on the side. So, like I said, plans change. It is what it is. So, all right, I'm going to go out and make some metal, and then we'll go to lunch, and then they'll have heat up here in a little bit. So it is what it is. See you on the other side. All right. Here, I needed a 45. I went to Menards. They didn't have 45. So I am going to attempt to make my own. I don't see why not. Half of a 90 is a 45, right? So I'm going to mark it, mark it. And then basically I'll have two 45s to get my offset that I need. And yeah, for half price. These are like 35 bucks at Menards. My supplier wanted 34 for 145, so I'll have one for half price. So I'll let you know how it turns out. All right, so there's my line. So basically what I did is I went from, that heater's hot. So basically I took my yardstick there, or not a yardstick, it's actually a 4-foot stick. Anyways, I went from this corner to that corner, and that's 18.5 inches. So half of 18.5, so 9.25. So I just made my mark and just eyeballed it down through and then traced it around. Same thing with this side, and I pretty much have a perfect 45 out of a 90. So yeah, pretty simple.
Fire!
245s out of a 90. Just got to do my ears, bend them down, and yeah, I drilled unibit here, and then I realized I couldn't cut that, so I ended up using my bandsaw to cut the corners. And then obviously I used this to finish cutting it. So yeah, it turned out good. Alright, now we're getting ready to do the AC. So I just bought this kit, Hilmor. I bought this last year. Lineset cleaner. Used it a couple times. Works good. This is the, you can see that or not, it's the HLC007 model number. So basically you got these adapters, you got your little gun, you hook up to your nitrogen, and you got these little pegs, all different sizes, and you got a little net. And I'm going to actually hook the gun up to this, and then I'll blow it through the line set, and it'll go out to the outside, and I'll show you how that works. All right, so we got to find the 7/8 one. Screw that into there. Grab my 7/8 plugs. Let's see, I gotta open that up. Let me make sure. I almost need to deburr that. Close that down. Alright. And then you just we're going to do 2 of them, and then we'll do the 3/8. Just load it up there.
What, you put plugs in there?
Yeah, you put these plugs in here and just it wipes the
Inside though.
yeah.
Alright.
You take this off, and you grab the 3/8 ones. So then you put this on. What's going on here? Well, this stuff's pretty tough. Clean it up. And then we grab the 3/8 plugs.
You just shoot out on the other side, or?
Mm-hmm. Just like that. One more time. Alright, let's go outside and gather the plugs. As you see, there's our plugs, and the pipes are nice and clean. I ran them, like I said, I got 2 of these plugs. I ran them once in each 2 in each size through the 3/8 and the 7/8. So yeah, they're right there. Everything's nice and clean. No oil residue. So no more RX11 for me. I'm going to be using these plugs. See you later, Sims. Here. All right. Here is the final countdown. A lot better than what it was before. 1 filter right there, 20 by 25 by 4. Before they had the 2, if you remember seeing it before. Yeah, this box is beefy, real beefy. So yeah, put a Armstrong 90,000 96% Pro Series, which is the variable speed 2-stage. The door turned out pretty good. Sealed everything up, and I just got my finger in some cack. Great. And yeah, the Pookie Monster visited us, because I know you guys use a lot of foil tape, so we use the Pookie. And stuff's pretty messy, but it is what it is. It definitely helps seal it up. So I'll show you the AC on the outside, and leave your thoughts and feedback in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next one. Alright, here's the final product. We got this buttoned up. I am going to have to come back when weather warms up and check pressures. Yeah, this turned out nice. I got my sight glass, we can see what's going on. Got everything sealed up. Chipmunks or red squirrels were getting in there, and I put some piece PVC through there plus some steel wool, so that'll keep them from going on. So yeah, turned out nice. And like I said, I'll be back here in the next 3-4 weeks once the weather starts getting a little bit more cooperative. So